morning guys, welcome back to a new vlog. Today is an exciting day. It marks kind of the first official day of us transitioning into the new place. We have a meeting there now with the kitchen installation people and also the curtain installation people. They're going to come and measure everything so that everything obviously fits perfectly, because we've done our own measurements just to kind of get like a price estimate of everything. But of course they need to get like the exact measurements for everything so that nothing is like wonky or doesn't fit properly. So that is the plan for this morning. Good morning guys, it is a new day. I have been getting myself ready. It's actually been a really nice, very slow morning this morning. It's another beautiful day today, so we are gonna head out, and Mo actually had the idea to go mini golfing, which we've never done together, and there's a cute little place near where we live, so that is what we're gonna do today. This is my very casual, comfy and easy outfit of the day. I'm just wearing this white shirt. This is actually from H&M. I got this in a size L so that it's a little bit oversized and just looks like super effortless and casual, kind of like a boyfriend style type of shirt. And then I'm wearing these beautiful gold necklaces. This one is from Mango and then this is from Misoma. I love layering like chunky gold necklaces, and my earrings are from And Other Stories. These are the gold hoops that I wear pretty much every day. I love them. I will have them linked below. And then I'm also wearing my classic Goldie jeans. These are just my favorite. They are super comfy. I love the wash and the fit.
Also
44?
44, ja. Das ist schon...
You have to get it in that left there. Whoa! Okay, it's out.
Woohoo! We just made it to the mini golf and we are on course number 2. And so far Mo's winning.
So I have 2 now, Annie has 4. She took more than me.
have to get into that big hole right there.
Yes. Oh, it got in. Oh, yes.
Almost. Okay, that was one shot.
You do it.
Yay!
Here you go.
2. That was my lowest one. That was also
2. So show me what you got.
okay. That was 2.
3. Congratulations.
Thank you. I'm catching up, guys. I'm catching up. Whoa! Woohoo! Okay, guys, we are done with the game. We just counted up all of our points, and we are tied. We both have 34 points. I caught up to this pro.
You know,
in the end.
I wanted to let her win, you know.
We tied fair and square. Good game. Good game. It is now a little bit later, and we are going to our favorite Lebanese restaurant. And we're so excited. We love the food there. We're gonna get hummus, tabbouleh, lentil soup.
What else? Each one time. Tabbouleh, fattoush, hummus,
We're so hungry.
shish tawouk, sharabat adas. All the good stuff.
Our food has arrived. We've got the hummus, the tabbouleh. This is spinach fatire. Mo got some potatoes. We've got some falafel. I also had a lentil soup, which I already finished. But I'm gonna enjoy this right now. And some bread. I got the dark chocolate sorbet, and Mo got
Oreo.
Oreo. Oh my god, that's probably so good. So nice when they have sorbet flavors that are not just fruit. This is so good. I love it. Good morning, guys. It is a new day. It is Monday morning. I'm sitting in the car. I'm about to head to the gym. I'm gonna go to a spin class. I haven't done a spin class in the longest time, so I'm actually quite excited for this class. And then we are gonna head to the grocery store, pick up some food because it's Monday, and usually on Mondays we need groceries. I want to make some nice bowls for us for dinner tonight, so I'm going to get ingredients for that. Guys, I'm so excited about finding Brussels sprouts today. They haven't had these in the longest time, and apparently the peak season starts in September. So I'm very, very happy to have found these, and I'm definitely going to use these in our bowls tonight. And then I just got some of our other fresh staples that we eat a lot of. Going to the post office now to send these packages. These are 2 giveaway packages for you guys. I thought I would show you guys a few of the inspirations that I have for the new apartment. I'm literally thinking about this like 24/7. I'm so excited. So this is not, unfortunately, where I'm gonna get my furniture. This is the Restoration Hardware store. I would love to get pieces from here because I love their style. Like some of their pieces are so beautiful, but unfortunately they don't have that here in Germany, and it's quite pricey as well. So I like to use this site for inspiration. I get lots of good ideas from here, and then I go to other sites that are available in Europe. So one of my favorite furniture stores and just decor stores here in Germany is Westwing. I have gotten so many things from here in the past. This is my wish list. I've got 70 items in there, as you can see. So there's a whole lot of different things in here. We've got like lighting and stuff. Obviously I'm not gonna get all of these, but these are some of my favorites, and then Mo and I will go through them and then just decide like which ones we want. But I want to show you the sofa that we want to get. This is the extra large one. There's another one, and look at these beautiful chairs as well. So let's see, this is the sofa that we want. How beautiful is that? Looks super comfy, and I love the color as well. This is called the Tribeca sofa. Super, super pretty. So I really love that. We also want to get a different bed, but not right now. So these are some of my favorites. They do also have some potential dining tables that we like. These are a few, but my favorite one is actually from IKEA. It looks like this. It's a beautiful wooden table, but we're not so sure about the color just yet, but this is my favorite one that we've seen, and I think it looks really good. Like, it looks expensive and high quality, and I really love this design, so this is my favorite. But these are some of the other ones that we've been looking at. Another wooden table. Really love this one too. We want a big table because now ours is very small and we can never fit like more than like 2, 3, maximum 4 people on it. So we cannot wait to have a big one so we can invite our friends and our family and we can all eat together. We will also have a bar at our kitchen. So I was also looking at some stools, but I actually haven't found one that I really like yet. But these are just some options. But yeah, I'm so excited. As you guys can probably tell, a lot of you guys actually ask where these bowls that I use are from, and this is where I got them. They're from Borste, Copenhagen, and I get them from Westwing. So I will have this linked below for you guys if you are in Europe and you like my bowls. This is where I get them. I'm so excited to take you guys along for the journey of decorating and just like making that place feel like home, because obviously now it's just like empty. There's not even a kitchen inside, as you guys would have seen, and it just needs a good clean. And of course, you know, when you live in a place, you bring in your own energy to the place, and it just like it starts to feel more like home. And I'm really excited for that whole journey. It's been a long time coming, so it's really exciting that it's finally happening. And yeah, I will take you guys along for the journey. So a few days ago they came to measure the kitchen, and then next week we have an appointment to actually like design the kitchen and all of the drawer space and like the cabinets and the kitchen island and where everything is going to go. So I will probably vlog that for you guys as well. I do already have a bit of like a plan in mind of what I want and kind of like the finishings that I want, but I will save that for the next video that I'm going to film. So right now I'm going to make some dinner. I'm going to make those bowls that I was talking about earlier. Okay, so for our bowls tonight, I've got the Brussels sprouts. I've just rinsed these. I've also been marinating some shrimp. I'm going to leave the marinade ingredients below in the description box, but it's got some garlic, lemon juice, some tamari sauce and honey, and some chopped cilantro. So I'll have that recipe down below. We've also got some quinoa. This is already cooked from the other day. Then we've got some avocado. I think I'm going to put some cherry tomatoes on there too. And then our bowls with some washed rucola. So I'm first going to prep the Brussels sprouts. I just take off the end bit and then this first layer of leaves. And then I just slice it down the center like so. And I'm going to put it back in my bowl. Okay, the Brussels sprouts are all ready. I'm now just going to put a little bit of olive oil on top. like so. And I'm just gonna toss this up and I'm gonna put them in the oven for about 20 minutes. And then once they're out, I'm gonna make a little dressing for them. Mo has requested for some potato wedges, so I've just had these in the oven for about 10 minutes. I've added the Brussels sprouts next to them, and then this whole thing is gonna go back into the oven for about 20 minutes. And the last thing I'm gonna do is the shrimp. This is super quick, just takes a few minutes. The Brussels sprouts are done from the oven. I've just put them back into this bowl. And here I've got some balsamic vinegar. I'm gonna put about, let's say, a tablespoon or 2. And we've also got some organic honey. I'm gonna put some of that on top as well. I'm gonna put some salt and pepper on top. I'm just gonna shake it up again and we'll be ready to eat. Our bowls are done. How beautiful does that look? We've got the quinoa, some rucola, the shrimp, the delicious Brussels sprouts. I'm so excited to eat these. Some avocado, and then Mo has got some potatoes. He actually doesn't like quinoa at all. He says it makes his stomach hurt. So he's got potatoes. We eat these types of bowls several times per week because it's just so easy to throw together, you know, whatever you have in the fridge.
Explain a little bit more about what's happening here. Listen, this was the best dish. One of our best dishes ever.
Thank you.
This is so good. I
devoured.
Taste, consistency, food.
Thank you.
Love it.
Okay, so what did you make yourself?
That's like gluten-free bread with some bio Nutella. Like the real Nutella, but it's like bio Nutella.
It's like the more natural version of Nutella.
And then I have some almonds and coconut.
Yum.
Yeah.
That looks so good. How good does this look? Mine is some plant-based yogurt with some frozen wild blueberries, some pumpkin seeds, and almond butter. And we're gonna watch something on Netflix. We don't know what yet. We're gonna do the search, which sometimes takes a very long time, but hopefully we'll find something. So we are gonna call it a night. Thank you guys so much for watching this video.
I hope to see you guys very soon.
Enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next one. Mwah.
Bye guys.